What's up, guys? Welcome back to Ronin. We're currently sat inside the F20 1 Series, where we're having issues with the iDrive system. It started yesterday randomly out of the blue, and it's essentially a boot loop sequence where it is stuck as soon as you try to do anything. None of the sat nav works, and as you've just seen there, it just turns off straight away, and it will just keep doing this pretty much forever. We've tried doing multiple diagnostics. It is coming up with a fault saying that it's a monitoring circuit reset, but every time you clear it, it just reappears, and there doesn't appear to be anything you can really do about it. So again, we were just as we were, and it only lasts for about 20 seconds before it will then just stop working. Conveniently, it's literally a month since the warranty ran out, and it started like this today, yesterday even. So yeah, it's the joys of owning BMW. This BMW here is also broken. So two 1 Series on a drive, and both of them are broken. I'm currently loading a diagnostic session with Carly, just again to see if we can do any more. We've disconnected the battery, that's also not working. A lot of the forums are saying that actually it's a software update that is required to fix it, which is obviously dealer only. Out of warranty could be very expensive, can take up to 8 hours. But yeah, so that is the main issue. That's pretty much the only way to fix this, is to go to the dealer and get a software update. I'm afraid I can't come up with any better answers than that, really. Obviously very frustrating, especially when you're still paying for the car, yet it stops working when you're halfway through it. But I suppose that's the joys of owning a BMW, really. So yeah, it's the 65 plate, so they've got 37, nearly 38,000 miles, and the main computer system in the car is no longer working. Excellent. Cheers, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more BMW videos. I'm going to do a full tutorial on how to work Carly and all that sort of thing. I'll have to do it on that BMW rather than this one, because clearly it's not going to work. Cheers, guys. Take it easy, and we'll see you in the next one.